Hey guys, what's up? Pixfi is actually trading currently on Bybit. They just listed and resumed trading as I speak. So as you can see on their official Telegram channel, it says Pixfi trading is live. You can trade Pixfi on the following centralized exchanges. They listed not only on Bybit, HTX, Gates, Bitget, and MEXC. Beware of scams and do not interact with any unofficial links. Now going back to Bybit, this is Bybit. You can see the live action happening here on Bybit's Sports. So Pixfi actually debuted on Bybit some minutes ago, and you can see the highest price it hit 0.365 USDT, and it is currently trading 0.282. Now, can it go higher than this? Most likely, with more actions coming on from the airdrop part of this particular token. So they are yet to distribute the airdrops. So as long as they continue to send in the airdrops to participants, the price is going to be impacted, right? So for those of you who did not participate in the Pixelverse Tap airdrop, it is quite a pity. However, there are opportunities out there, so take very much good use of those opportunities on the Ton blockchain. Those tap to earn games, you can actually participate in them and earn free airdrops, like those of them that participated in the airdrop time of Pixelverse, right? So it's crazy how people are actually trading this right now. The price is most likely going to fluctuate. It's going to be very volatile. It's going to drop a lot and then pump a lot. So I'm looking to trade this out some time to just watch, and then when it's time to trade, I'll actively enter the market and see what I could do. What I can do with the Pixfi token on Bybit. So it's traded currently on Bybit, HTX, MEXC, and I think OKX has already listed it. So those are the exchanges where it is currently trading right now. This is it: Bitget, Bybit, HTX, Gate, and MEXC. So get on trading, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.